Thank you so much for tuning in, lovelies. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you for joining us. My recipe for today is potato wedges. Stay tuned and let's cook. I don't know about you, but I love potato wedges in different side dishes. The first thing I'm going to do is to grab my potatoes and give them thorough wash. It depends on you leaving the skin or you want to peel off the skin. If you are leaving the skin like mine, you want to make sure there is no trace of sand. When that is done, I'm going to cut in a half and then slightly cut into three again to have that wedges form. It depends on how you want to have it, but I love to have it a little bit thick, so do not overcut too thin. Very fast, easy and delicious. If you achieve getting your potato into a wedge form just like this, you're going to toast everything in a bowl and then season with 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Next, I will also introduce 2 teaspoons of salt. I also went in with 1 teaspoon of fresh chopped rosemary. Dry one is perfect too, and if you are not a fan of rosemary, please go for thyme. Again, I introduce 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm also going to season with fresh cracked pepper. Making sure all the spices sticks to the wedges, we are going to introduce 100 ml of olive oil. Toast everything together to incorporate all the spices. I will then get a baking pan and spread in a parchment paper on top. I'm going to lay in my veggies, making sure that the skin faces down. At this point, I have preheated my oven on an 180 degrees C first. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for watching to this time. Please support this video by liking. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit the notification bell, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you all so much. I finish up those wedges with some touch of smoked paprika and then I bake on 200 degrees C for 40 minutes. Bake your veggies on 200 degrees C. You will get the perfect results. Gold brown, crispy and delicious. It's the fastest potato you can think of. I have this almost in all grilling I do in summer. It mustn't be for summer, you can also have it inside for you name it, guys. It's amazing. Please check out for more recipes on my channel. If you haven't seen those recipes, there are other interesting recipes that you need to see, guys, so please go check them out. Thank you guys. This is what we have, guys. Look at that. It's so crispy, it looks so good, beautiful gold brown color. It's perfect for outside. At this point, I have those veggies almost in all grilling season, almost every time I grill, because it's just so delicious and everybody want to have the recipe each time they come for visit. So here you go, guys. Here is our easy grilled potato wedges. I just finish up with some parsley on top and some sauce, deep sauce. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks good, it looks inviting, and it looks delicious. Thank you guys for always tuning into my channel. Please don't forget to support this channel by liking, and see you in my next one. I need to enjoy my meal. Bye for now.